Ja, sånt skrev ju hattar.
I forgot the card to set. I set it back. Okay. Okay, today it's the 4th of May 2022. It's Sammonsilta, Sampobron. 5 days A here in Tapiola, Hagalund, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, also Nyland, Finland. It was built in 2019 actually, but finished maybe in 2020. The capacity is 15 persons or 150 grams. This number is 43261772. 12 floors, but only one elevator. So to be expected in 2024. But not the most extreme one, because the most extreme one is in all elevators. One elevator for 18 floors.
Yeah.
But they're building another one with 12 floors, which will have it will be a glass or scenic elevator, but finished in March 2023 later. 12 is locked off.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, but 11 is open. Close the door.
Inspecteert pakje maintained by Kone.
But it feels like 14 floors because there's a gap between floors 1 and 2 and 3.
Yeah.
So it's almost like 14 floors high.
Yeah.
But still only one elevator. Feels like 1970s planning because there's only one. But it speaks English also.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could have been speaking also Finnish and Swedish.
Yeah.
But it's neutral like this. Those capacity signs are neutral also.
Yeah.
That's it, and hopefully we'll get the